The price of a new vehicle in Canada has topped $66,000, which is why many drivers want to keep their current car as long as possible.
Vehicles have vastly improved over the years, and if you take good care of yours, it may be able to last 300,000 kilometers or more. Here's Pat Foran in a Consumer Alert. Pat.
Thanks, Michelle and Nathan. Some vehicles are more dependable than others, but whatever car you have, it is possible to make it last longer. Experts say doing the correct maintenance, treating it properly, and driving carefully can save you money over time.
Starts up every time first day.
When we met Mark Intihar of Claremont last year, his 2000 Toyota Sienna van had recently hit the 930,000 kilometer mark.
Bam! Love it.
It still has the original engine and transmission, something he credits to frequent oil changes and following the maintenance schedule.
If it goes to a million smooth, I'm going to keep going. We'll see how far she'll go.
Consumer Reports says your best bet to make a vehicle last is to follow the recommendations set out in your owner's manual.
Absolutely follow whatever your owner's manual is telling you about proper maintenance.
And if your car is making strange noises, don't ignore them.
When something is not correct, get it looked at right away. The problem won't go away by itself. It will only likely get worse and a lot more expensive.
Even if your vehicle is newer and under warranty, you still need to follow the maintenance guidelines.
If your car does blow up because you didn't do an oil change in a year and a half, and the manufacturer can prove that you haven't maintained it, you have zero warranty and you will have to eat that bill yourself.
Like many things in the current economy, the price of auto repairs has increased dramatically.
Everybody's expenses have gone up. The replacement parts have gone up. And of course, the salaries on the mechanics have gone up as well. So that's just the way things are these days.
And vehicles are made to be driven. Don't let yours sit idle for extended periods.
Even if you're retired, even if you don't drive that much, try to get out there, start the car, drive around the block, drive it to the grocery store, drive it.
When buying a new or used vehicle, do your research to see which ones have a reputation for reliability. The longer you can keep your car on the road can keep you out of a dealer's showroom and save you money. And oil changes are important, but as your car gets older, it may also need a transmission service, timing chain, or other belts and hoses. Spending money before a breakdown could prevent you from being stranded and keep your car running longer. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.